In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Chrome profile shortcuts on your desktop. This is really useful if you use Google Chrome for different parts of your life, like work, school, and personal browsing. And you want to keep everything separate and easy to access with just a double click on your desktop. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, look for the profile icon. This might be your picture, your initials, or a generic icon. Click on that, and you'll see a menu appear showing your current profile, along with an option to manage or add more profiles. In that menu, select the option that says something like Manage Profiles or Add. This will open a page where all your Chrome profiles are listed as separate cards. If you already have multiple profiles, you'll see them here. If you don't, this is where you can create them. To create a new profile, click on Add or Add Profile. Chrome will then guide you through a quick setup. You can choose a name for this profile, pick an icon to help you recognize it at a glance, and decide whether or not to sign in with a Google account. Signing in lets you sync bookmarks, history, and passwords, but it's optional if you just want a local profile for separation. Once that profile is created, Chrome will usually open a new window for it. Now, we want a shortcut for this specific profile on the desktop. Close Chrome completely so no Chrome windows are open. Then, open Chrome again, but make sure you open the profile you want from the Profile Chooser window that appears. If that chooser doesn't appear automatically, you can usually get to it by clicking the profile icon and selecting Manage Profiles, then clicking the profile you want. With that profile window open, look again at the Profile area. On the Profile Management screen, there should be an option like Create Desktop Shortcut for that specific profile. Click that, and Chrome will place a new shortcut on your desktop that's tied directly to this profile. Repeat this process for each profile you want. Create or open the profile, and then create a desktop shortcut for it. You'll end up with multiple Chrome icons on your desktop, each labeled with the profile name you chose. Now you can double-click the exact profile you need, whether it's for work, gaming, school, or anything else, and everything stays organized and separate.